Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you simple and effective way to fix Bluetooth and connecting issue on iOS 26. If your Bluetooth device won't pair, keep disconnecting or doesn't show up, follow the steps. First, open the setting app, tap on Bluetooth, turn on Bluetooth, wait for 10 seconds and turn it on again. This refresh the Bluetooth connection and fix small glitches. Now press and hold the slide button and volume button together. Slide to power off, wait for a few seconds, then turn your iPhone back on. This clearly clear all the temporary system bugs that affect Bluetooth. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. If airplane mode is on, wait for 15 seconds, then turn it off. This reset all the wireless connection including Bluetooth. Finally, go to settings, tap on general, tap on software update, install any software available, updates often fix Bluetooth bugs and improve connection stability. That's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.